Hey guys, so I ordered some headbands from anewcrown.com, a black owned seller of head wraps and headbands. I don't really know how to tie head wraps, so I'm dipping my toe into the head covering arena by using their wire headbands, which the wire makes it moldable. So I'm thinking that'll make it a little bit easier. So let's see what I got. I just picked these items up. I saw they were having you can see Theo in the background. I saw they were having a $10 sale, and they also had BOGO as well. But I got, I think, just two things. It's been a couple weeks. This actually shipped quickly. I just have kind of a backlog of packages, so just now getting around to actually trying these out. So let's see what I got. So I took advantage of the BOGO and I got two headbands they were $24.99 originally, but I got two for $24.99 because they were on BOGO. And one I just got like a basic black silk wire headband, and then the other one is more colorful. I plan to get more. They have such nice patterns. And you can see the branding throughout, the beautiful stickers, and even the mailer. Quality, quality, quality. They say they have a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Theo, this isn't for you. Every time he hears plastic, he thinks I'm doing something for him. Theo, don't. Thank you. He thinks I have treats. So let's open these. So this is just the basic black headband. The wire is only from here to here. And then this part, oh wait, okay, so yeah, it completely unfolds, so you can wrap it around. The wire is on both sides from here to here. And then the middle is it has like the little stretchy part here. And you can shape the wire into bows and different, you can tuck it and it'll stay different styles. So I wanted a basic black for starters because it'll go with everything. It's a high quality sewn in label. That's a very nice touch. I guess I will just hand wash these. So that's the black one. And the other one I got is in this more colorful pattern. I definitely liked the African pattern she has, and she's got some others that are like polka dots and other cool stuff, maybe with like palm trees or something. I don't know. She has a ton of patterns. And I wanted something colorful. I think I'm gonna wear this one today. So this is what I came up with. I'm taking Theo to the dog park, and this is gonna be my look for today. To do this, I just twisted once. I wrapped it around, obviously, with the ends facing forward or facing up, however you want to describe it. Twisted the ends around once and tucked the edges to make a bow shape. I'm gonna play around with this a little more. It was pretty easy to do this, took me less than a minute, but it's not the pretty bows that I see on her website, so I'm gonna work with this with the head wraps a little bit more to get some different styles and shapes. So that's it for this unboxing and review. I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care, be well, stay clean, stay safe, stay organized. Bye now.